Okay, we're going to continue describing samples. So we'll start the sample description program again. Click on Sample Description Program. This will open Microsoft Word. And then click on Start WildCat Sample Descriptions and click on Sample Descriptions. We'll just open the same file we had opened previously, which is the WildCat Sample Description Example N01 Detailed Sample Description doc. And it will pick up where we left off and starts at the next description. So we'll click on Start and Sandy Rocks again to describe sandstone. Click on Sandstone. And we'll click on 70%, and we'll just repeat the last description again, and we'll make one little change to it. We'll have it very fine to fine grained, and we'll just type that in. Then we'll go back up to New Lithology. And we'll select Silty Rocks. And now we'll select the percentage, 20%. And we'll select the shade. It'll be light to medium, and the color will be gray. We'll select gray. Next we'll select the rock texture, and the first one we'll select is microsucrosic. And then we'll also select salt and pepper. We'll then go to the cement menu, and we'll select argillaceous. Go to the accessories menu, we'll select carbonate. It's trace, carbonaceous specs. Next we'll go to the induration menu, and we will select firm to hard. Go to the structure menu and micro, and we'll select sub-blocky. We'll select the porosity menu, and it's tight and no shows. Next we'll go to the New Lithology menu, and we'll select limestone. And limestone 10%. And we'll just repeat the last limestone description. And next we'll select the cuttings quality menu, and here we'll just repeat the last cuttings quality description so it hasn't changed any. And we'll go to the new interval menu, and here we'll select the new sample interval repeat, and what this will do is copy the complete description from 1020 to 1030 and put it down to 1030 to 1040. So it's just, you can see the descriptions are exactly the same. It's just copied it down. Next we'll start a new description again, and we'll start with sandy rocks and sandstone. And this time we'll select 60% sandstone, and we'll, again, the description hasn't changed, so we'll just repeat the last description. We'll go to the new lithology menu and we'll select shale this time, and 20% for shale, and we'll just repeat the last shale description as that hasn't changed. Then we'll go to the new lithology description again and select limestone, and it's 20% to complete the description, and again we'll just repeat the last description because it hasn't changed any. Go to the cuttings quality menu and we'll repeat the last cuttings quality description because the sample hasn't changed any. But this time there's a trace of cavings in the sample, so we'll select trace, the fresh worn, and then fresh cavings. Size is length is half a centimeter long, and the width is 0.1 centimeters wide. Rock type is a shale, and the color is medium to dark gray. And the caving is abundantly splintery. Next we'll put in a comment about it. And we'll say that the cavings are from bit depth. We'll then select a new interval, and then we'll just stop again now and take a break, and we'll just save our work and close the program again, and then click exit.